Hey, Justin here with Dalinghaus Construction. If you've started noticing a gap forming between your concrete steps in your house, don't ignore it. That's not just a cosmetic issue. It's a sign something's shifting beneath your home. Today, we're breaking down why your concrete steps are pulling away, what warning signs to look for, and how our team can repair and stabilize them for good. Concrete steps pulling away from your home are one of the most common signs of soil movement or foundation settlement. There are a few main culprits behind it, and understanding the cause is the first step towards a permanent fix. Soil movement and erosion. When the soil under your steps expands and contracts from moisture changes, it creates voids. If your drainage isn't directing water away from the foundation, erosion can wash away the soil that's supporting the steps. Once that happens, the concrete settles and starts to pull away. Poor installation. Sometimes the problem starts at day one. If the steps were installed on uncompacted soil or without proper reinforcement, they'll sink or shift as the ground settles. Weather expansion and contraction. Concrete expands in the summer and contracts in the winter. That movement can loosen the bond between your steps and the house over time. Tree roots. If you've got large trees too close to your home, their roots can push against the foundation and steps, causing cracks or full separation. Foundation settlement. Finally, if your home's foundation is settling, your steps may shift right along with it. When the foundation moves, even slightly, that connection point weakens and the gap starts to form. So whether it's the soil, the weather, or foundation movement, what starts as a small gap can quickly turn into a safety hazard if you don't take action. Here's what to watch for if you suspect your concrete steps are separating from your house. Visible gaps between the steps and the wall, cracks in the steps, foundation, or surrounding walkway. Uneven step alignment. If they look like they're sinking or tilted, that's movement. Water pooling near the base, a sign that drainage might be contributing to erosion. And even sticking doors or windows. That's often a clue the foundation itself is shifting. If you're seeing any combination of these signs, don't wait. The longer you let it go, the more costly and complex the repair can become. The right repair method depends on what's causing the problem. At Dalinghaus Construction, we use several proven solutions to lift, stabilize, and permanently repair your concrete steps. One of the most efficient ways to lift and stabilize concrete steps is with polyurethane foam injection. We drill small 3/8 inch holes into the concrete and inject high-density expanding foam. That foam fills the voids under the steps, lifts them back into place, and locks them in, usually within minutes. It's quick, clean, and incredibly effective for small to moderate separations. For more severe cases where the foundation or soil beneath the steps is unstable, we install piers. These extend deep into stable soil layers, bypassing the weaker material that's causing settlement. Helical piers, which look like giant steel screws, are perfect for fast, strong support in unstable soils. Once installed, they permanently stop movement and prevent future separation. For smaller cracks or gaps, we can inject epoxy to seal the concrete and prevent moisture intrusion. Or, for slightly larger separations, rebar reinforcements can tie the steps back to the foundation, restoring strength and stability. If your steps are too far gone, severely cracked, crumbled, or sinking, replacement might be the most cost-effective route. But the key is to rebuild it the right way with proper compaction, drainage, and reinforcement so it doesn't happen again. Once your steps are repaired, here's how to keep them stable long-term. Make sure your soil is graded away from the house to prevent erosion. Inspect your steps periodically for new cracks or gaps. Seal cracks early to block the moisture. Keep large trees 10 to 20 feet away from the foundation. And when replacing concrete, always use professionally compacted soil and reinforcement. These small maintenance habits go a long way in protecting your investment. So, if you've noticed your concrete steps starting to pull away from your home, don't wait until the gap turns into a bigger problem. At Dalinghaus Construction, we specialize in concrete foundation repair that lasts, from foam injection to full pier systems. Our team offers free, no obligation inspections to diagnose the cause and give you the right repair plan for your home. I'm Justin with Dalinghaus Construction. Thanks for watching, and remember, never settle, because your home deserves a solid foundation. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.